If you're a content creator on YouTube, maybe you're new or you're old, you're praying one day that, oh, you will get monetized for you to experience how much will YouTube pay you for your first 1,000 views. So in this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views, especially content creators in Nigeria. So let's dive into the video with 1,000 views. As you can see here, it's over 1,000. Before I actually plan to make this video have gone beyond 1,000 to 1,004. So don't worry. 1,400 is the view, and you can see how the video is going up. That means the video is actually doing well. So if you see the traffic source here, YouTube recommendation, so YouTube recommended this video to people, and just recommendation alone got 1.1 view by recommendation, and YouTube search, that's about 96, then other YouTube features 33, then we have other direct or unknown, which is 27, then we have other. And if you go a little bit down here, you can see the audience retention is 1.43, and the video is actually 9 minutes and 5 seconds video. 9 minutes and 5 seconds video. In the last 48 hours, this video has done 336 views. So now if you come a little bit down, if you go to the right hand side, you're gonna see this video. You can see the watch time here, 40.8 hours, and you can see the subscribers so far with this video is 10 subscribers. So let's see the reach. How many people actually saw the video? 24,500 people saw this video, and it was just 1.4 that clicked to watch the video. So you can see from here that the browser feature 82.6%. You can see YouTube search 6.8, other feature 2.3, direct is 1.9, and other. And other external site or app, we have Telegram message 44%, WhatsApp 24%, then WhatsApp business 24%. This is actually what people search for them to see my video. They search for how much YouTube pay me, how much YouTube pays you, YouTube creator. So these are other suggestion video right here. So if you come to engagement, let's see the engagement on this video. Under engagement, you will see how many people like this video. This actually makes sense. 97.1% people love this video. They like it, they gave it thumbs up, and why about 2.9 people dislike it. So that isn't a problem anyways. Then we have channel average 88.0%. Then audience, let's click on audience. You can see the audience returning viewers. See how the returning viewer is doing, coming down, then start moving up, then down, then go up again. Then we see device that these people watch from. The people that watch my video, the device that they use. Some use mobile phone, they use computer, they use TV, they use tablet. Mobile phone 96.8%, computer 21.3%, TV 1.2%, tablet 0.5%. The age is not yet revealed. Then the gender is not also revealed. Then the geography, the top geography, we have people from Nigeria, then we have people from United States and South Africa. The people from Nigeria, 27% people from Nigeria, while 10.3% people from United States, and 5.5% from South Africa. Top subtitle CC languages, 52.5%, no subtitle. Then English 38.4%, then Arabic 0.1%. Then watch time from subscriber not subscribed, people that did not subscribe to my channel, they just came to watch, about 91.1%. Then subscribed 8.9%. So let's see the revenue, the one we've been waiting for. Let's click on revenue. The revenue is $2.27. This revenue is not really bad. For 1,000 views to have $2.27, it's not bad. Now I'm going to tell you what contributed to this $2.27. Now if you are going to go, if you go down a little bit here, you're going to see how you make money. Watch page ad 99.3%, YouTube premium 0.7%. This is the performance. All right, $2.27 estimated revenue. So the RPM is $2.21. What is RPM? RPM is revenue per mile. We have RPM, we have CPM. I'm going to explain that in this video also. Then here we have how much advertiser pay, which is the CPM. The CPM they pay for 1,000 view on this channel is $7.60 is what advertiser paid. So from the money advertiser pay, which is $7.67, YouTube pay me $2.21. Earnings by ad type: skippable ad 86%, display ad that's 10.2%, bumper ad 3.5%, non-skippable video ad 0.3%. Now that you know all of this, if you solely depends on YouTube revenue, then you should know this four thing. This will help you to skyrocket your video revenue from where it is now to where you want it to be. Number one, your video duration. It is very important for you to know that the video duration will help you to put more ad in your video. Let's say you have a video that is less than 8 minutes, you can't add more ads in that video. You can only put 2 ads in that video, which is the first ad they come across when they open your video, and the last one which they also see when they're about to end your video. But when your video is 8 minutes long, you have the opportunity to put more ads. Number 2, your audience location. It is very important that you need to know where people are watching your video from. If people only watch your video from some certain parts in Africa, you ain't gonna get that revenue that you're looking for, because in Africa here we have very low CPM rates. You need to understand that your views should come from Europe, something like Canada, United States, United Kingdom, all of these countries. If your views are coming from that place, you have nothing to worry about. You're gonna make more money on YouTube because they have high CPM rates. Number 3, you need to pay attention to your CPM and RPM. CPM is what advertisers pay YouTube for 1,000 views. Alright, while RPM is what YouTube pay a video owner for 1,000 views. So CPM is called cost per mile, RPM is called revenue per mile. So you need to pay attention to your CPM, study your analysis to see what your CPM is and how your CPM is growing, because CPM on this particular video might be different from that next video. All of this boils down on the kind of video you're making and also your audience. That is why if you are new on YouTube and you don't know the video that paid the most, you need to check this video out. So number 4, which is the last thing, and I'm going to show this one on my screen so that I can practicalize what I'm talking about. Number 4 is called ad slots, and it's very important for you to know how to put ad slot in your video, because a lot of people don't put enough ad slots in their video, or because of the new thing that YouTube just rolled out early this year, which is the automatic ad slot and manual ad slot. Before we normally do the manual ad slot, but now they have automatic ad slot, and if you don't have enough pause or enough break in your video, you'll be able to put that ad slot. Even when you put ad slot, they can detect it and not valid, and they will remove that ad slot. So you need to know how to put the right ad slot in your video. So I'm going to show you how to put ad slot in your video right now. If you want to maximize your YouTube ad slot, you can't do it directly on your YouTube app, so you have to use your Google Chrome to do it. So I'm going to head on to my Google Chrome. Then here I'm going to type YouTube. All right, I'm going to type studio.youtube.com. So when I type studio.youtube.com, you're going to see something like this. All right, then just click on continue to studio. Right here you can see this is my studio. So I'm on the video, right? So once you come into the studio, you can actually, maybe once you come into the studio, yours can be on dashboard. So dashboard, after this logo, which is my image, the next thing is dashboard, and the third one is your content. You can see channel content. So click on that channel content to see your content here, and you are going to select that new video you just uploaded. Once you click on that video, let's see, let's assume this, let me just look for a random video that I can use that is more than 8 minutes. So I'm going to use this particular video. So I'm going to click on it, click on the name. From here, all you need to do is click on this logo, this one, this $sign, click on it. Remember, you've uploaded your video, right? So here, click on manage slots, add slots. So this is where you're going to put the mid-row ad. You can see all of this red. That means they're invalid. Let me zoom out for you to see. Let me zoom it out. So you can see all of this red they are invalid, so it's not going to count anything, it's not going to show anything. The ad will not pop up, so I need to delete them. All right, you can see warning sign on it, so I need to delete it. So delete all of those red. So I've deleted all the red ad slots. So let me just zoom in back. So you can see we have automatic ad slots. So I'm going to turn it on. Once I turn on automatic ad slots, it's going to help me to add more ads to this thing. It's going to help me to impute more ads to this. So right here I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ads on this video. This is 17 minutes video. So I have 7 mid-row add in this video. So if I click on that, automatic is going to help me to add more, and I can also add manually. So if I just feel like, okay, this part is where I want to add, just click on insert add. But because I don't know if this place is the right place, if I have any break in that spot, maybe I just pause for a while in that spot, that means the ad is going to work. But if not, this ad will be rejected. So let's save it, click on continue. So go to the left, click on save. So I've saved it. Let's go back there, click on again. So from here we can see that that other one is still under review, so they are revealing it. So once they finish revealing it, they will then approve it. If you do not turn this automatic add on, YouTube will only give you maybe 2 or 3 in your video. This is what you need to do for you to maximize your earnings on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. If you're yet to subscribe on this channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Do wait to like this video. Go to the comment section and drop any comment for me. I will be happy to see your comment in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.